Today we learn how to reset your WP admin password. When you forget your admin password, you will be recover it. First, I go to localhost / phpMyAdmin, hit enter, and now find the database. Which one you use this panel. So I use this ARSM music to database. You should go there, and now you can see there is a WP users table. Now go to here, and you can see there is a simple password 12345. So I want to try on this 12345. Hit in login, but it's not working because there is an encryption type. What should I do? I will go to edit, and now you can see here is the user password. Here is the password. This is plain text, and now here is the here is the type of password. You should select MD5, and now scroll down and hit go. Now you can see there is a hash password. Now I will try on this 12345. Hit login. Now you can see it's successfully login and redirect your dashboard. Don't forget subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.